Hi there, I'm Sharon Tinberg with Rags to Riches. Today I'm going to start a small series on a topic that is directed toward helping you come up with solutions to a challenge that I think every single residential cleaning service owner I chat with these days brings up either at the beginning, the middle, or the end of our conversation. And that is finding enough cleaners. What's interesting to me is that I'm always hearing people say, I can't find enough cleaners, I can't find enough cleaners. What I haven't heard an owner say is, I wonder why I'm not attracting cleaners to my cleaning company. So my question to you as an owner is, are you chasing cleaners or are you attracting cleaners? I've shared with a lot of owners who have called me and brought up this subject that we were quite challenged in the 90s before the influx of foreign people happened, which was the biggest in 2000. We now have 10 million additional bodies that weren't around in the 90s to help clean these houses. I do feel I was very blessed. After about 7 years, my recruiting problems went away. First 7 years, classified Green Sheet was my favorite place because back then there was no internet, no Facebook. But after 7 years, we had built enough of a reputation that we always had a stack of applications on our desk of people who had walked in the door looking for work. We were grateful to have people attracted to our cleaning service, so we didn't really have to go chase them. Which brings me full circle back to the subject I want to talk about for the next few weeks, and that's the principles of leadership. I wish that I had thought of these principles, but I must confess that they are taken directly out of the book, The Leadership Style of Jesus by Michel Youssef. Whether you believe that Jesus Christ truly is the Son of God, or just a man that walked the face of the earth, most people do agree that he was one of the outstanding leaders ever. 2,000 years after his death, his story is still being told. When most CEOs or leaders of nonprofits leave their organizations, the organization doesn't last much longer. Michel Youssef clearly defines what made Jesus such a great leader in his book. And I would like to share those principles with you, putting the twist of a residential cleaning service owner on each one of the principles. And in a little while, it'll become clear to you why it is so important for you to be an outstanding leader when it comes to your recruiting issues. In order to understand the impact of leadership versus management on your company, you first must understand the difference between the two. They are very different, but just like love and marriage, they are very dependent upon one another. Management is the organization and coordination of the activities of an enterprise in accordance with certain policies and in the desire to achieve a defined objective. You've got your policies, your procedures, your process for cleaning a home. You want to get a 5-star rating. That's management. Leadership is a process whereby an individual influences a group of individuals to achieve a common goal. Leadership is all about influence, and influence is the ability to change another person's thoughts, beliefs, and actions without the influence of policies and procedures. If your employees really believe in the inevitable success of your company and have seen you bring other people with you and share your success with them, you will never have to look for people. You will have people knocking at your door. If you'd like to learn more about recruiting people, please visit my website at www.successmadeeasy.com. Don't forget to take a look at our new lined aprons. They are waterproof lined. They do make your cleaners much happier when they go home at night, dry instead of wet, especially in the wintertime, you northerners. So if you have any questions, give me a call at 512-964-9750. Otherwise, I will see you next Monday when we talk about the second principle of becoming a leader.